Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Meet Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert emoji on your Google Sheet on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how we insert the emoji on your Google Sheet on your computer, just going to show in this video. So first of all, click on this any cell and click on this insert option on the top. Now just swipe down and you will see this option called emoji. Click on this. Now you will see this emoji tab. So here you have people emojis or animal and nature emoji and food and drinks and travel and place and also achieves and events, a lot of other more. So here the first was emojis. So you can also search the emojis like a smile. If you just need a smiley emoji, you can just easily search it and you can just place like this. The second way of inserting the emoji, you just need to press Windows key plus dot symbol on your keyboard. So it will open this emojis box. So here you can just choose the emojis. This is how you just you can just insert different type of emojis directly by using this. Like this, you can just insert emojis. So these are the two ways that you can just insert the emojis on your Google Sheet on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.